Hey, hello everyone. I've got a new diorama in a 1/64 scale from Moreart, and we are going to do an unboxing and review. Okay, let's open the box. And we see some foam here. That's a good thing for protection. And here we see the front of the diorama, and I see a tree over here. I like that. Some more foam. Let's take it out carefully. And then take out the building that is wrapped in plastic. It comes with light, if I see it right. Yep, we got the button to switch on the light. Okay, let's put this over here. Then we got the tree, the 1/64 scale, manual, and the base of the diorama, and some more foam in the box, so very well protected. Okay, I'll take the plastic off and I will be back. So here it is out of the plastic. We have the building, we have 3 base plates, and we have some accessories right here. Let's take it out. So we got this here. Let's put some light on, that's better. That should probably be here. Yes, so I need some glue for that, or maybe this is a sticker. That is possible. Yes, it is. Oh, that's easy. And then I have to do this right. I'm going to do this like this. Well, let's put it a little bit over there. When it falls off, you can always use some glue. I think that is better. For now, this is okay, but I think it won't hold forever. Then we have this piece right here. And I think we have to put it right here. Yep, there you go. Then we have the traffic sign. What does it say? Autumn Mountain. Autumn Mountain. We can put that right here. And then the building goes. See, you have 2 holes, so you can't do it wrong. And there we go. And then we have a piece of road for in front of the building. And then we also have some parking places, but not sure where to put those. I'm going to do it like this, so it's a little bit higher. Yeah. So very cool diorama. Now I'm a real man, so first I'm going to build and afterwards I look at the manual. Sorry for that. See, there's also, it's in English, so that's a good thing. Yeah, and I can see I have done it on the right way. Okay, still have to get a battery for the light. I will do that later. That is no rocket science. Take the building out. So you open this right here. You have 2 button batteries. You put them inside. Press on the light switch and it goes on. Okay, and we're going to take a look at the tree. And it also comes with a piece of gum. That's always handy for 1/64 figures. You don't need it for this tree because this tree will perfectly stand on its own. There you go. Now, the only thing I have to do, I put it in my display cabinet next to the other dioramas. Some batteries, and we're going to see how it looks with the light on next to my other dioramas. But first, we're going to the other initial D diorama I've got. Same building, different variation. Let's take a look at that one. Okay, so here it is. And this one comes actually with a display cabinet. See, it's a different variation. So you get only the front of the building. Also comes with a tree. And this one also came with 2 figures and a car. Those are in the display cabinet. I will show you them when I show the diorama next to my other dioramas. I will put a link in the description how I built this diorama, and so you can see it for yourself, because this is also a really cool diorama, and it also comes with light. Sorry, battery is drained, but in the video where I built this diorama, you can see how it looks with the light on. Okay, let's go back to the other diorama. Okay, so here it is next to my other buildings. Still have to figure something out for the background, but I'm working on that. Yeah, it looks very cool next to the other dioramas. And how does it look with light on? Light switch is somewhere here. Where is it? Here, here, here. Ah, there it is. Now the light is on. Let's make it a little bit darker. Is that dark enough? Oh yeah, that's okay. And we even have some details inside. I like that. So really cool. Let's here. I have light on my camera. That's a little bit better. So yeah, it's very simplistic, because here the leaves on the building, it's a print, but I'm okay with that. It looks really nice. So here we have a building, and here the leaves are not a print. Yeah, it is way better. These are handmade by Bellic Art. Really cool dioramas. I put the Ghostbusters diorama from Pops next to it. A little bit of a new setting. So I can make photos for my Instagram. And here you can see a little bit of my collection. I think I already showed it a couple of times. Here I have another Moreart diorama. Actually 2. The Starbucks and the McDonald's. Did a review about the McDonald's, but I don't think I did a review about the Starbucks. Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your diecast friends. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.